What's up guys, Ivan here, and this is C300 Cabriolet, and in this video I'm going to show you all the cars which were in the Geneva Motor Show 2019, so let's go. So this is CLS 350 Coupe, and it is in the iridium silver, I hope, in this color, because there was no indication about the color. So this is C200 4MATIC Swiss Star in this gray metallic paint job, as you can see. A really nice car, and it is an estate car, so wagon. Then we have another wagon, so this is E-Class, as you can see from the side profile. So this is E450 4MATIC. Then we have GLE, the new GLE 450 4MATIC, also in the silver paint finish metallic. Then we go, and we have a S-Class Cabriolet. So this is S560 4MATIC Cabriolet, as you can see. Then we have a E-Class, so this is E450 4MATIC Coupe, also in silver. So many cars were in silver color, like a regular versions, not AMG. Really nice side profile on this car. I really like it. Yeah, just great shape, the new E-Coupe. Yeah, I really like it. So next car is X-Class, as you can see, in light blue silver color. So this is a V6 engine. I believe it has like an off-road package. So this is X350 diesel 4MATIC. Really nice car. I really like premium side of the pickup market. V-Class, and then we have a B-Class B200. So actually I shot this video about 10 minutes before the show was ended on the press day. So this is CLA 150D Coupe, so that's why I didn't have a ton of time to shoot every car, like a long time, but then again also the video would be too long. So this is new CLA 250 shooting brake, and this is CLA 200 Coupe edition 1. Really nice mountain grey Magno, design on Magno color. Really nice presentation at the Mercedes booth, so I really love it. So this is A-Class 200, but as we go around the car, this is not the hatchback, this is the sedan version, which will be available a little bit later, and it will arrive to our showrooms very soon. So this is A200, and this is G350 diesel. So this is the, we can say, the cheapest new G-Class, but certainly not a cheap car. And this is R Roadster. I did a full review on this car, so you can check it out. Links in the description below. GLE53 AMG, also linked in the description below for the full review of this beautiful car. So this is just a regular A150 without AMG package, AMG line. And then if we go, we can see the CLS 300 and the GLC 300 4MATIC, also full review, link description below. Also this car, CLA shooting brake, full review in the description box. So this car is the last edition, we can say grand edition, of the CL500. So now we can see the C300, which I showed you like first car in this video, Cabriolet. Very nice shape of the car, really like it. So now we have another C300, but this is the coupe style of the car. And this is the EQC 400 4MATIC, which is like an electrical version of the GLC. And you can have a little view on the stand. So next, yeah, we showed already this. This is C300, but a little bit more view on the car. Really like how this looks. From the back it has a beautiful shape. And this is C220D with like aerodynamic wheels. Swiss Star edition, specific to Swiss market. And this is new V-Class, electrical V-Class. So really interesting wheels with blue accents. And if you go back, then we have like an EQ stand. So this is EQ Formula E, which Mercedes will race in this year. This is E300DE, which means like a plug-in hybrid with diesel engine. So really interesting. I will do a separate video about the EQ part of this booth also later. So subscribe for plenty more videos. So this is S-Class, also EQ hybrid, and you can see some engines here, how they look. So these are the EQ engines. So normal engine, which is combined with the batteries. You can see interesting wall design. So yeah, really interesting design. I really like it. So this is S560E, and you can see the booth. Up is the VIP cafe. So this is EQ. so many names. It's like a speaking exercise. So this is EQC 400 4MATIC. And yeah, really nice lounge at the Mercedes. And yeah, this is the tablet which you can hold, and yeah, you can see all of differences in the EQ cars. So this is like a virtual reality. You have only French and German language. Most of the cars had only German and French on their like a specification of each car. So that was interesting to me, because yeah, French and German are Swiss languages, but also here at the Geneva Motor Show there were many international customers. So yeah, this is just an interesting way to look at this electric car from a virtual reality. I really like it. Let me know in the comment section down below what do you think about the electric cars. If it's something you are very curious about. I never driven electric car, so I can say for now, but really I personally like the gasoline sound of the engine, more like a racing. So let me know in the comment section down below. I'm curious to read your opinions about electricity in the cars. So this is Maybach S650, like a quick look you can also find on my channel. This is the underground of the car, the chassis of the EQC 400, and this is S65 V12 final edition. So this is the last V12 engine in S65 and in also in AMG. We can say this is the last engine. 130 cars, one should be in Slovakia, so that's really great. And this is A35 AMG Edition 1, which I will show you the full review of that car later. I showed it at my dealer, so yeah, that's great, and I'm looking forward to show it to you, this car in full depth review, because yeah, here in Geneva you cannot show fully the car, just a little bit. So this is GT63 S with monoblock chrome wheels, and this is in design of a diamond white color paint finish. So really interesting. Let me know if you like these rims and these alloy wheels. Personally, I think they are okay, but I'm not really big fan of these wheels. I would choose another wheels for my car, but these wheels show you the old Mercedes style, so that's why. So really amazing AMG, also AMG part of the Mercedes stand. So really nice. All 4 reviews you can find in the description below. And on the right side you can see the Formula 1 of the Lewis Hamilton from the last year, the winning Formula 1. Really love it how this looks. Actually first time for me to see Formula 1. So yeah guys, that's it for this full review of the Mercedes and AMG stand in the Geneva Motor Show 2019. Let me know in the comment section down below if you like this video, and let me know which car is your favorite from Geneva Motor Show 2019. So yeah guys, that's it. Like this video, share it, and subscribe for plenty more videos. That's all guys, and have a great day.